Okay, good morning, ladies and gentlemen. It is Sustainability Saturday, and I'm excited to give this short talk on my definition of sustainability. And I wanted to do this up here at the house today instead of doing it at the office. Haley has a tendency of getting in early, and I didn't want her to be part of this conversation. Because if you haven't known already, Haley is going to lead up our sustainability movement for intelligent concrete. And it wasn't one of the main reasons why. We knew she was into sustainability, not just on a concrete side, but on a global effort. But we didn't know how passionate she was about it. And recently, Haley just passed her Green Road certification. I tell you, she texted me as soon as she passed, and my heart about leapt. It's impressive to see how quickly she has, gained knowledge of the industry and how easy she passed tests. But more importantly, to see that passion. Oftentimes people have to take me with a grain of salt. I know I'm very, very passionate about concrete, everything concrete, even the bad side of concrete. I'm very passionate about. But I've witnessed my own growth through the industry and what that passion has let me achieve. And it was the perseverance with the passion. You can have the passion, but if you don't put the perseverance in to do the work, it just kind of falls flat. And Haley, she's better than me. Her perseverance and her passion for sustainability, I think both of them outweighs my passion for concrete. But the global effort for sustainability can't be reserved for only the folks who have enough passion. It is a necessary evil that our material, our concrete, our cementitious materials, our rock, our sand, claims a certain amount or produces a certain amount of carbon that has a negative impact on the world. That's been brought about by many news organizations, many bloggers, and it is the focus of many concrete and cement conferences throughout the world. So that being said, at Intelligent Concrete, and we consider ourselves at the forefront of concrete technology, one of our efforts is to host a project that we're paying for to reduce the carbon footprint of a concrete pavement by 95%. And it sounds ridiculous. It sounds like science fiction, because if you think about it, every component of the concrete composite has a certain carbon footprint to it. And a lot of it, like transportation of materials or production of materials, you just can't get past. If we want to use a cement, you go from calcium carbonate to calcium oxide. You have to cook it to above 3,000 degrees Fahrenheit to liberate that CO2. There's no way of getting past that. And to get rock out of the ground, you got to, either blast it out of the ground, you got to quarry it, you got to scoop it, you got to clean it, you got to grate it, crush it sometimes. So there are certain things that we just can't get past. But if we don't challenge ourselves, if we don't try to be disruptive and push the envelope, then not only are we doing ourselves a disservice, but we're doing this big blue planet, and more importantly, our kids and their kids. Because we're supposed to be the ones that teach them. We're the ones, the qualified individuals, the passionate individuals, no matter how much passion you have, who see the obstacles and turn them into opportunities. And sometimes it is a crappy job. But I tell you, meeting and working with people like Haley, it's a little bit wishy-washy to say that it gives me hope, but I'm a wishy-washy kind of guy, and it gives me hope.
To see Haley
try to start changing the industry,
day one,
and day 90, she's
starting to move the
industry and having an impact on it. You can't help but get infected by that movement, those dreams, especially when it means making concrete stronger, last longer, and then of course saving the world. So thanks for joining me today. Hope you liked. Let us know if you have any concrete questions, concrete concerns. Don't forget to like and subscribe, ding that bell for notifications. Go concrete, beat asphalt.